Hey, what's going on, everyone? Misha Wilson here, and welcome to another episode of the Misha Wilson Show. Now, in today's video, I want to do something kind of funny. I actually had a question asked me from a student a few days ago, and the question was essentially, Misha, how are you such a natural when it comes to shooting videos? And it made me laugh because I remember, all the crappy videos that I shot for literally years. I remember back when I first got started, how nervous I was, how I would start sweating when I do videos, and literally everything in between. So with this video, I wanted to go ahead and have some fun and actually literally show you one of my first videos so you can see and contrast essentially where I was then and where I am today, and so that you understand there's no such thing as a natural. There's no such thing as someone who just wakes up in the morning and is really good with video. There's no such thing as someone who doesn't have to practice this craft in order to get to a point where they can click play and be good to record. And so you can kind of see a little bit of the journey that I went on and hopefully find it encouraging for you to understand that if you're not perfect at video right now, not that I'm perfect, but if you're not good at video right now, if you're uncomfortable in front of the camera, or if you just don't have the confidence to get started right now, well, hopefully it'll show you that literally everyone started right there. And if you can do this, or if I can do this, you can absolutely do this too. So as always, if you get value, let me know in the comments section below what you found most entertaining about this video. And don't forget to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon notification button so that you get notified when I do more videos just like this. With that said, let's go ahead and dive in.
Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams.
Misha Wilson here, full-time internet marketer and one of the top earners in Elite Marketing Pro. I am super pumped up right now. I just got off of a magnetic sponsoring webinar. Actually, first of all, let me show you my view. I am sitting on my balcony right now, or my lanai, on the beautiful island of Maui, Hawaii. That's my view. This is where I like to attend webinars, my outdoor desk, and the rest of my lanai. Anyway, I thought you'd like that. It's a gorgeous sunset. I am super excited right now. I just got off an exclusive webinar for the Elite Marketing Pro top earners, and Magnetic Sponsoring revealed what they're going to be doing in January with their Elite Marketing Pro system. Now, I'm sorry, I can't actually reveal exactly what's going on. All I can tell you is, if you're an Elite Marketing Pro member, if you're on my Elite Marketing Pro team, you are about to be in the right place at the right time. We all know how quickly the internet marketing landscape changes and how important it is to pick the products you promote very carefully and be in the right place at the right time when promoting. If you're an Elite Marketing Pro member, you are about to be in the right place at the right time. If you're not an Elite Marketing Pro member, I would highly recommend joining Elite Marketing Pro. You don't even need to join under me if you don't want. Just know, something huge is coming in January. Magnetic Sponsoring's program, Elite Marketing Pro, is already amazing. I personally believe that it's the best program, hands down, to promote for residual income on the internet. They're about to make some changes. Again, I think I'll be able to share the changes with you in about a week or a week and a half. It's the 13th today. I think I'll be able to share the changes with you in about a week. But just know, something big is coming in Elite Marketing Pro. They've just rolled out their first first third of Elite Marketing Pro this last year, and they're about to roll out their next phase. Something big is coming. Watch out in your email inbox. I'll be sending you news and updates about this throughout the month. I'll actually probably have a webinar for my Elite Marketing Pro teammates to kind of show what I'm going to do strategically to promote Elite Marketing Pro and to maximize the new launch that's going on. I can tell you there's a launch coming up, but no, if you're an Elite Marketing Pro member, you are in the right place at the right time. If you're not, get signed up today. It's already an amazing program, and it's just going to get so much better come January. Okay, guys, sorry to tease you, but I figured you'd want to know that something's coming rather than knowing nothing. And Elite Marketing Pro members, right place at the right time. I hope you're having a great night. It's gorgeous out here. I have to run. I'm about to hit some tennis balls under the lights tonight. Have a great night. I will talk to you soon. Misha Wilson, over and out.
Pretty funny, right? So again, as you can see, when I first got started, I was not a natural when it comes to video. I was terrified, I was anxious, I was sweating, I was freaked out at the thought of turning on the video camera and recording a video, but I did it anyway. And that's the single thing that every single successful person does, right? When they have a fear, they move into it, they figure out a way to get themselves to do it anyway, and then over the course of a period of time, they become natural, they become efficient, they become effective at whatever that thing is, and then, you know, through years of hard work, they get to a point where people ask them why they're a natural. So understand, if you're not comfortable yet, move into that fear, take action anyway, and I look forward to seeing your videos very soon. As always, if you got value, let me know in the comment section below what your biggest takeaway was, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, bell icon, notification button. And hey, if you found this video entertaining, don't forget to go ahead and hit the thumbs up button below this video. Till next time, over and out.